Have you ever wondered why some people remain mentally sharp well into their senior years, while others experience a decline in cognitive abilities? It's a fascinating conundrum that has intrigued scientists for years. As we age, it's natural for our cognitive abilities to reduce somewhat. This is part of the aging process, but it doesn't have to be the end of the story. Enter the remarkable world of DNA, our biological blueprint. This intricate design not only determines our physical traits, but also plays a crucial role in our brain health. Imagine if we could harness the power of our DNA to enhance our cognitive abilities. It sounds like a concept from a sci-fi movie, but it's a possibility that research is beginning to explore. Cognitive decline isn't inevitable. By delving into the secrets of our DNA, we might find a path to improved mental sharpness even in our golden years. So, how can we tap into our DNA to improve cognitive performance? Well, it's all about lifestyle choices and emerging technologies. Our daily habits like diet, exercise, and sleep have a significant influence on our gene expression, which in turn impacts our cognitive health. Eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients, getting regular physical activity, and prioritizing good sleep can all help to promote optimal brain function. Moreover, keeping our minds active is just as important. Cognitive training exercises such as puzzles and memory games can stimulate the brain, helping to improve memory, attention, and other cognitive functions. But it doesn't stop there. The field of personalized medicine is opening up new opportunities. Genetic testing, for instance, can provide insights into our unique DNA blueprint, allowing us to tailor our lifestyle and medical interventions for maximum cognitive performance. Just as we can influence our physical health through lifestyle choices, so too can we impact our cognitive health and potentially our DNA. Now, let's talk about a groundbreaking product, Immuregan, that's making waves in the field of cognitive health. This remarkable product, researched and developed over 5 decades in Europe, is catching attention across the globe for its potential in promoting overall wellness. Immuregan stands out because of its bioactive mechanism, meaning it can be easily absorbed by the body for immediate positive effects. But what makes it truly special are the essential molecules it houses: nucleotides, oligopeptides, amino acids, and other essential minerals. These ingredients work together to support the full function of our DNA, even in the smallest parts of our brain. For senior adults who often face physical challenges due to aging, Immuregan offers a promising solution. Its potential to support cognitive health could be a game changer in the fight against cognitive decline. By understanding our DNA and making wise lifestyle choices, we can unlock our cognitive potential and maintain mental sharpness as we age. With tools like Immuregan, we may be closer than ever to achieving this goal. Curious about how Immuregan can help you maintain your cognitive health? We've got you covered. Head on over to the description box below where you'll find relevant links to learn more about this groundbreaking product. You'll also find information on how to avail Immuregan online, making it accessible no matter where you are. We invite you to join us in the next segment, where we will delve deeper into the science behind Immuregan and explore its numerous benefits when it comes to maintaining our overall well-being. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it. And before we proceed, a quick reminder to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. This ensures you're always updated with the latest content we have to offer. Unlock your cognitive potential with us. Let's age gracefully together.
Forever Healthy Products brings to you Immuregan. Immu represents immunity and Regen represents regeneration. A complex of dietary nucleotides containing peptides, oligopeptides, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins that support normal body functions and help boost our immune system. For our body to be healthy, we need to make sure our organs, like the heart, the brain, the kidneys, and every other organ in our body, are healthy. Our organs are made of tissue, and our tissue is made up of countless cells. This is where most of the industry is currently focused on, the cellular level. We at Forever Healthy Products go even deeper and are revolutionizing how we shape our lives by going deeper to the DNA level. DNA is essentially the blueprint of life. DNA is composed of a chain of nucleotides, adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine to maintain homeostasis or normal body functions. By ensuring we have healthy DNA, we ensure healthy cells that make healthy tissue which become healthy organs, and finally ensuring a healthy body, affording us a fulfilled and happy life. Immuregan supports the body's structure and functions by providing the nutrients needed for a healthy body. This science-based product is supported by research conducted by the winners of the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. who studied the body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, including the mechanism now known as nucleotide excision repair. It has been researched by scientists and doctors for more than 60 years, and the product was patented in Europe since 1983. Forever Healthy Products has the exclusive rights to offer one-of-a-kind nucleotide food supplements worldwide. The product has been researched and studied for decades and proven safe for the young, elderly, and even the sportsman or athlete. This is just the tip of the iceberg on how this incredible product can give you an incredible life.